Hello buddy and welcome to this channel. I'm assassinghost and today we are going to see how you can create a glitch effect in Adobe Photoshop Creative Cloud 2019. So let's go ahead and start Photoshop. Before we begin, make sure to watch my previous video which is about how you can create Photoshop actions, how you can import or export them. So basically we are going to work with Photoshop actions in this video. So if you haven't watched my previous video, I'm going to link it in the description or in the end card, so you should watch it. But anyhow, let's just begin. I'll go ahead and open the intended image which I'm going to edit. So basically I'm going to use this image, and once you do that, let me first go ahead and start from scratch. So basically this is our target image, and you have to go to Windows and then to the actions to enable the actions panel. Once you do that, you are going to get this action panel. Click on this 4 icon and go to load actions, and now head over to this file which I'm going to provide you using a media file link. This is going to be a direct link, and this is known as animatedglitch.atn, and it's going to be 19.6 kilobytes. So basically you have to import this actions, and this action will help you create the glitch effect. So we are going to locate it, and once you locate it, just click on load. And once you click on load, it will give you the animated glitch GIF uh, action. So basically these are all the things we are going to do. First of all, unlock the background layer by clicking on the little log pad icon and double click on the layer name and rename it to IMZ. So basically this is going to be the IMZ layer. And now once you have selected this IMZ layer, click once again on your actions panel, select animated glitch, and go ahead and select the actual action itself. Once you select it, you will see the triggers, which are the play, pause, and stop and record, are now visible, and you have to just go ahead and press the play button. Now it's going to perform all the edits, all the customizations which you might will have to do it manually, but in this case, since it's an action, we get this nice glitch effect. So basically you can use this action to create glitch effect easily without going through all these processes one by one. So as you can see, there are a lot of things you have to do if you want to do it manually, but using this action you can do it automatically and in the most easiest way possible. So now if you want, you can just go ahead and perform additional customizations and other stuff. You can go ahead and enable, disable, or customize it all you want. So basically this was how you can create a glitch effect in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video, please be sure to leave a like and also subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon. I'm going to release new videos about Photoshop. And as always, thanks for watching. Peace.